for last month, 4%. Not too bad. I'm catching up. But if we look, the S&P is up 6%. So I'm not really catching up. Still down. I think this portfolio is up now 2% year to date, which is good. A lot better than being in the negative. So let's see how we got here. We got SoFi Technologies. I made a video on that. And it popped like crazy. Almost 14% from where I bought it. Do I wish I bought more? Absolutely, but it's no big deal. Who knows? Next week it could go back down to, I think I bought it at like 16. All right, our next stock we have Elf Beauty. Same thing, not popped as hard, but up 7% from where I bought it. I don't even think I've had it for 2 weeks. And so I got 10 shares. And yeah, wow, 7.5% is massive. I'll take it. Would I like to buy more? Probably. We'll see. I've added a couple $100 in here. So I don't think it's showing yet, but I do want to stay around this 15%. So if I do buy anything in the upcoming week, it's probably not going to be too much. Do want to stay balanced at 15% in cash right here. All right, JP Morgan, another one I just bought. We're actually down on that. So if this thing gets even lower, that might be the stock I buy. I'm not sure. All right, let's see. Dutch Brothers, I own 40 shares. Still down on that, but it is staging a comeback for the year. So let's check out where it is in the year to date, or actually in the month chart. So yeah, it's almost up 5%. So it's coming back. To be honest with you guys, this one I really wished, I was hoping it would move under 50. I was probably going to add 5-10 shares maybe, but oh well, who knows what's in store for Dutch Brothers in the upcoming months. All right, next stock is Palantir. Man, huge move, right? Where do you go? 9%. All right, 15 shares, 9%. Let's see what it did for the month. 13%. So, yeah, I don't think Palantir is going to stay down for too long. You know, when it drops down to that 130 range, I feel like it's always going to be bounce back up. I wish I'd placed some options in my gambling portfolio, but I didn't. All right, let's move on. The next position we have is Texas Roadhouse. Let's see. I've got 14 shares. How did it do for the month? Up 13%. So, yeah, looking good. Meta's going to be the next position. We got 4 shares in Meta, and it has been the biggest loser to date. Year to date, I should say, on the month charts. The only one that's still neg. The market hates Meta. When will it bounce back? I don't know. I can't see it going any lower than 600. I don't think I'll be adding any to this. With the money I have in there, I'd probably pick a different stock. Not that Meta's probably not a buy here. At 600 range. All right, the last stock we have is my biggest position, Amazon, 12 shares. It is up 38% from where I bought it. If we look here, we see the percentage of everything going on here. It's almost 20%. So my biggest position, and let's see how it did for the month. 3%, not bad since it's been the biggest winner. Year to date, it's definitely the biggest winner in this portfolio by far. All right, that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.